If you want to learn how to A/B test subject lines in your email platform quickly and without fluff, you're in the right place. Stick with me for just a few minutes and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Plus a simple trick most people miss that can instantly improve your open rates. And if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using linked in the description, only available through my channel. I've tested this across the most popular platforms: MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, Klaviyo, and a few more. And the steps I'm about to show you are basically universal. Whether you're just starting or already sending thousands of emails, this will work for you. First, create your email campaign just like you normally would. Once you've written your content, navigate to the subject line field. Here's where the A/B testing magic happens. Look for an option called A/B test, split test, or experiment, depends on the software. Activate that feature and you'll see the option to add multiple subject lines. Usually, you'll get 2 or 3 variants to test. Keep the rest of the email identical, only change the subject lines. When writing your variants, test one element at a time. For example, try a question versus a statement, or use an emoji in one version and none in the other. You want clear, measurable differences so you can actually learn what works. Next, choose your test audience. Most email platforms will let you send your test to a small percentage of your list, say 20%, and then automatically send the winning subject line to the remaining 80%. You can usually pick whether the winner is chosen based on open rate, click rate, or even manual selection if you prefer. Timing matters too. Set the test to run for a few hours or up to 24 hours before the winner is sent out to the rest. The longer the window, the better the data, but balance that with urgency if it's a time-sensitive email. Once everything is set, launch your campaign. The software we're using makes it super simple to monitor which subject line is winning in real time, so you're not left guessing. And here's that bonus tip. After the test ends, don't just move on. Use the data. If one subject line clearly outperformed, use that structure or tone in future emails. Over time, these micro adjustments can stack up to major gains in performance. Key takeaway: A/B testing subject lines in your email platform isn't just a nice to have, it's one of the fastest, easiest ways to boost your open rates and actually learn what gets your audience's attention. Quick recap: write 2 subject lines, keep everything else the same, select your test audience, pick a winner metric, monitor the results, and apply what you learn. Simple, powerful, and effective. If you want to follow these steps with the same tool I use and recommend, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll make this whole process even easier. Thanks for watching. Now go test those subject lines and start getting better results, email by email.